maiteru, maiteru, a maiteru, maiteru, subir, se terá, seneta, ano maite. What was that? Jujutsu Kaisen? Sick. Oh, another match of pumpkin confirmed. This is pretty lit. The same map, bro? Why can't we get a different map? Maybe it's because we keep playing again.
Yeah. Maybe it's one of these blah 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 only maps.
What if
pre-match sucks. I hate it.
Where's the Fortnite girl? Oh wait, she didn't join with us. Fortnite girl.
Hey, what are these drawings? Oh, these are not drawings. Wait. Is this? Someone getting murdered?
Someone's getting murdered? Cam 44, like always.
Kung Flu.
Oh my goodness. I need to take off this hood. Emily went back inside like a retard. Alright, let's put this there and take off this one. Alright, let's go. Gotta go gamer mode.
Whoa. I got one kill at least.
Did you hear that?
What?
It's like, I got it. What
the hell? My thing code froze now.
Oh, my thing froze too.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got as our first kill though.
It does that sometimes.
Oh, I got killed immediately. They have a sniper.
I got the sniper.
Cool,
Well,
so I'm gonna get those pumpkins.
I got them.
I got a pumpkin. I'm kill denied any. A
Oh.
blue pumpkin. That's what I mean by pumpkins. All the colored pumpkins, because I'm not racist. Look.
Oh no, he killed. Bro, why does she look so much like a Fortnite character? She looks like the noob skins on Fortnite.
Pick up my pumpkin. It's blue.
Are you on the very end?
Yes, I'm above the barn.
I got it.
Okay, now I get to him.
Oh, he killed me.
Well, pick up mine now. I'm dead.
I got yours.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, kill them. Oh, they're all right there, bro.
Oh, I picked one up.
They're all over here.
Oh, pick up my pumpkin.
They're all at the barn.
Oh no, they put a machine gun thing.
It's because we keep collecting pumpkins. I think everyone's frozen.
Collect the pumpkin. What the hell? Change in chakra nature.
Kill denied.
Randy, so when these guys use flamethrowers, does that mean they make a change in chakra
Shut the
nature?
hell up. Well, do you hear that? Oh my god. He on that game mode.
Change in chakra nature?
Oh no, I moved the mic.
Myself.
My bad. That's my bad.
What the hell's that?
Oh my gosh, how did he kill me?
Whoa.
What if I go pistol only? I think we're gonna lose, guys, because I'm using pistol.
Nope. But I am going to win it all. No, it's not over yet, Randy. We've got plenty of kills to go. How many kills is it up to?
How's that sentry gun reaching all the way up here? What the?
Predator murderer pistol.
Right.
Predator murderer pistol. Is that you, Positive Sport?
Yeah.
I'll protect you. There's another one. There's two of them.
Where?
Right there. Oh my gosh. Get my pumpkin. I'm behind you.
I can't kill them with a friggin' pistol. I can't kill
Why
this
did you
Fortnite guy.
Switch to a pistol. This is.
Because it makes me feel more like movable.
Oh, I see what you mean. But then you can't shoot.
I got him.
everyone
I got
up.
him. I got him.
I got a kill cocoon.
I got someone's pumpkin.
Oh.
Yo, this guy can't kill me, and I got a pistol.
Oh, darn it, they killed. But,
Yo, why can't this guy kill me? He sucks. Woohoo! I'm carrying with a pistol.
oh my god, did I just get stuck? How do I get up?
I said in a right there. There's a pumpkin here. Somewhere. Okay. I guess there's no pumpkin. Oh, I got another kill. Damn, we're all together. Why can't I find any enemies?
Popular MMO.
Okay, okay. Damn it, the freaking thing despawned. Yo, why can't I find any enemies?
Why can't I see them?
Oh, I thought that was an enemy.
Enemy number 1. Popular MMOs.
Woohoo!
Oh.
Oh my gosh, they're all in the freaking wood house.
On the top?
On the bottom. They're just running across there. I'm standing right next to a sentry
Where?
gun.
This house? Which house? Oh, I shot at the wrong house. My house. In the middle of the street. I don't see him.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Shut the hell up.
I'm picking it up. I'm picking. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm gonna kill this. Ugh.
Oh, that's so many pumpkins. And they flew.
What the hell? An armed air unit? Doesn't count. Kill the armed air unit. Oh, we lost? What? Oh, we got destroyed. Holy crap. We're bad. Oh my goodness. That wasn't even close.
I need my pew pew. My pow.
Oh my goodness. The MVP of dreams. Dremes. Whew. Oh, you got more. Oh, this guy carried us 25 kills. Alright, let's try to exit to see if we can get a different map.